Hello everybody. Today I would like to share with you this GOCHUJANG by OFood. GOCHUJANG is a fermented hot chili paste from Korea that is known for being a common base ingredient in many dishes. Traditionally, it is made via a fermentation process over several years. Common dishes that are accompanied by gochujang include stir fries, meat dishes, salads, stews, and soups. It is used extensively in Korean cuisine to marinate meats and as a condiment for dishes. It is also a base ingredient in other condiment pastes, such as samjang. Gochujang is known for its perfect balance of sweet and spicy flavors, and for the savory kick that comes from the fermented soybeans. Since it is incredibly flavorful, this paste makes meals spicier, but also can increase the sweet and smoky taste of certain dishes. The paste itself is thick and sticky, and deep red in color. Let's take a look at the nutritional facts. Each container has 83 servings, and the serving size is 1 teaspoon, which has 10 calories per serving, 150 milligrams of sodium per serving, and a total of 2 grams of sugar per serving. This gochujang is produced in Korea, which makes it authentic and high quality. The expiration date is over 1 year from the manufacturing date, so you can store it for a long time. After opening it, however, it's important to remember to keep it refrigerated. Now let's open this up and have a taste test. You'll see that this container has a lid, but also a plastic sealed portion that we're going to peel off. But I'll let you have a look at this. The smell of this gochujang is not really too spicy, but it's a bit pungent and smells kind of sweet. I have some rice that I'm going to try this with, and I'll let you know how it tastes. So here's my rice, and here's the gochujang, and I'm just going to grab a little bit and kind of mix it in with the rice. And I'll take a bite. Yeah, it definitely tastes spicy. Even though it doesn't smell too spicy, the spiciness hits you right away. And let me have a bit more. It's pretty good. It really adds some good flavor and some good spice to the bland rice. Now remember, you can pretty much use this on anything. Noodles, soups, rice, and you can use it as a dipping sauce for carrots or celery. Really any vegetable you'd like. It's really delicious. Keep in mind that this gochujang paste is really a bit salty and very concentrated in flavor. So use it sparingly, especially if it's your first time. And you can always add more later if you'd like. If you're using it as a condiment, like a dipping sauce, and you find that the flavor is too strong for you, you could simply thin it out with a bit of water and then use that as the dipping sauce. I'd say this gochujang has a mild yet noticeable spice level that's not overpowering, but complementary to this rice and really any dish. The spiciness of the gochujang comes, of course, from the red peppers, and the umami taste comes mainly from the soybeans. I hope you get the opportunity to try out this gochujang from OFood. This traditional Korean red paste will surely spice up any meal. The mild spice is not too overpowering, but really adds a nice kick to your dishes.
Enjoy. Bye bye.